Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Quartz and this is Alana and we're back with another video today. Today Alana will be doing a custom build computer for one of our clients. So we're going to walk you through everything, show you all the parts that the client brought that we sent him over a part list so he could order all the parts, and then he brought it all in. So we're just going to go through, show you all the parts, and y'all just going to see the process of Alana building this computer. All right, Alana, so can you show us what all we have today to be working with?
So, here's all the parts we have. These are all the parts that the client brought in. We gave him a list. He brought all of it in. So first we're going to start off with the power supply. Pretty typical power supply, just 850 watts. Pretty basic for any high maintenance stuff you want to do on a PC. Just give enough power for you. Then we got our RAM. Client brought in 32 gigabytes of RAM, so pretty good amount of that. We got our SSD. This is the hard drive. We got 2 terabytes.
Okay.
Pretty decent amount of space. That's exactly what you want for something you're going to be using a lot for. Then we got our processor. Pretty good processor. It's an AMD Ryzen 7. This one's probably one of the higher ones on the totem pole for processors. Good for gaming, high resolution stuff. Here we got our CPU fan. Want a pretty good fan for all of the AMD Ryzen CPUs because they typically run hot. So you want a pretty good, decently big fan for all of those ones. Then we're going to start off with the motherboard. Got a standard MSI Pro. It's got Wi-Fi on it. AMD socket, all of that. Pretty good.
Nice. Pretty
good motherboard for all of that. And then of course, big part in all of the high resolution gaming or anything like that, we got our graphics card. Again, another AMD. Pretty good size. If I saw correctly, yep, 16 gigabytes of space on that one. So you're looking at pretty good processing speed for anything graphics related.
Okay. And then I see that we got a box behind you. What is that?
So this one is going to be our PC case. So this is what we're going to put all of that into.
Okay.
Let's see what the client brought in. I've actually never used this one before. I'm not super familiar with it, but looking at 4 case fans, pretty good circulation for anything that runs a little hotter like the AMDs. Yeah.
Nice. All right. So we're gonna get started with, I guess, taking out everything and starting the build.